Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be checking out the 5 best rice cookers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Tiger JNP. The Tiger JNP rice cooker's quality, made in Japan, and simplicity kept it as one of the best quality. It all started with glass vacuum bottles and went on to expand to rice cookers, stainless steel beverage containers, electric water heaters, and other cooking appliances. With this rice cooker, cook perfectly in a short amount of time. After steaming is complete, you can serve your rice using the non-stick inner pan and spatula. Tiger JNP rice cooker automatically switches, keep warm. After cooking is completed, you can easy to use single stick inner pan for easy cleaning, spatula, and rice measuring cup also includes it. The rice cooker can rice piping hot up to 12 hours. It provides you a non-stick inner pan, a retractable power cord, a spatula, measuring cup, removable steam vent cap, removable dew collector, lid handles, versatile capacity. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Digital Rice Cooker cook grains, hot cereals, or your favorite packaged rice mix without having to boil water or set a timer. You can use this function for flavored pasta and rice mixes, beans, soups, and one-pot meals. Rinsing rice before cooking helps prevent clumping and creates a fresh taste. Now it's simple to do with the included steam basket that doubles as a rice rinser. Use the keep warm setting to ensure your dish stays at the right temperature until you're ready to serve it. These Hamilton Beach digital rice cookers are great for preparing rice in a hurry. The cooker automatically shifts to warm once the cooking cycle is complete. Cook everything from a 10-minute batch of white rice to farro, quinoa, and other whole grains with this rice cooker. You can use the heat simmer setting to make your own soups, beans, or flavored pasta mixes. Number 3. Procter Silex. The Procter Silex rice cooker has an amazing cook capacity and cheap value. This is small, compact, and easy to use. Use the included steam basket to cook everything from salmon to zucchini. The cooker automatically shifts to warm once the cooking cycle is complete. And with a nonstick pot and dishwasher-safe accessories, cleanup is simple. The glass lid makes it easy to peek at your food as it cooks. The Procter Silex rice cooker, you can ingredients in the nonstick pot, turn it on, and let your favorite grains cook to perfection. You can make your mornings easier by cooking hot cereals like oatmeal in the rice cooker, too. The steamer tray is great for steaming vegetables, seafood, and poultry, and you can dish up your meal with the included paddle. It included measuring cup for perfect water to grain ratio. This one is 350 watts and it cooks faster. Number 2. Aroma Rice Cooker ARC 363. The Aroma 6-cup white pot-style rice cooker and food steamer comes with the convenience of making rice and steaming food at the same time, cutting cooking time and dishes in half. With a removable steam tray, you are able to steam anything you please while simultaneously cooking rice. The tempered glass lid makes it easy to view your food while it is cooking, and the removable nonstick cooking pot makes cleanup a breeze. The Aroma ARC 363 1NGB rice cooker is certified. It has been put through rigorous safety standards tests and it passed all of them. This means that you shouldn't be worried about your own safety or that of your family with this cooker. Features such as the tampered glass lid, insulating external case, and the cooker's stability, all add to the cooker's impressive safety. If you are however looking for something bigger, then there are other Aroma options such as the ARC150SB, which we recently reviewed. Use our reviews to find the best possible rice cooker for you and your family. Number 1. Cuisinart Rice Cooker. The Cuisinart rice cooker gives home chefs so many ways to cook and so many different foods to cook in one pot. Its rice and grains multi-cooker redefines versatility. With 18 pre-programmed settings, perfect results are guaranteed whatever is in the pot, and Cuisinart includes lots of recipes that demonstrate the full range of functions. This multicolor even has a preset for pre-wash, making cleanup exceptionally quick and easy. Cuisinart rice cooker has a removable pot and easy-to-navigate selector knob and LCD screen. This is sure to become every cook's favorite countertop cooking appliance. You can get with it large LCD screen with selector knob for easy scrolling, 10 cup capacity. Integrated quick reference guide. Automatically switches to warm when food is cooked. It has a removable anodized aluminum cooking pot with nonstick coating. All removable parts are dishwasher safe.